Hello friends, today we are going to learn about mobile marketing. Introduction to mobile marketing. In this information age, a mobile has been more than a phone. It is like a personal assistant for people who are working with their busy schedules, round the clock. It has created an opportunity for a digital marketer to communicate and engage people using their mobile devices. The mobile customer. It is the segment that frequently uses the mobile for communication at different digital media platforms. It has a broad landscape that ranges from playing games on mobile to using mobile for shopping. The smartphone revolution. It is the smartphone that led to the beginning of the multiple dimensions to attract the consumers. Smartphones created a win-win situation for all the parties. Consumers got facilities and business people got a medium to attract consumers. Rise of hyper-local and its implications. Concept of hyper-local is relatively new, though it has gained importance as far as digital marketing approaches are concerned. It involves 1. Community/society-based localization of communication. 2. Hyper-customized services on offer. 3. Detailed understanding of culture, latest trends specific to the societies and values. 4. Focus on delivery of values to build a suitable brand positioning. It has forced businesses to be lean and smart to attract different consumers but in different ways. 1. Fit for all. Policy does not apply in hyper-local concepts and mobile is the biggest carrier of this phenomenon. Content consideration for mobile. Mobile optimized websites. Mobile marketing requires websites and/or apps to land the visitors. Though people have started installing company-specific apps, websites are still in use with mobile-friendly considerations. A mobile-optimized website is said to have a responsive design with fluidity that reshapes the website content according to the screen size and resolution of the mobile devices. Mobile search. Mobile search has now overtaken the desktop search. So, a mobile-optimized landing page has high probability of getting conversions in comparison to the traditional web pages. Messaging. Sending SMS is also a handy marketing tool for telemarketers. It is done in following steps. Mobile social media. Social media has reinvented as more people are moving towards mobile devices for accessing social media. Easy navigation, touch-friendly buttons are some of the important developments in mobile-oriented social media. Mobile advertising. Google AdWords and Bing Ads are the two biggest online advertising networks that offer advertising programs dedicated to mobile devices. Marketing through mobile apps. Mobile apps are frequently used by smartphone owners and it has caused Google AdWords to offer different types of advertising options using mobile apps. Google AdMob earn money from your app. Google has also used a revenue-sharing program named as AdMob to attract app developers to list their apps for mobile marketing initiatives. Mobile commerce. Mobile commerce involves buying and selling of products and services as well as conducting commerce on mobile devices. For example, Indian e-commerce major Flipkart uses apps for those who want to purchase products from mobile devices. It has given flexibility of buying from any place and any location. It is the advantage that lacks in desktop devices. Financial services are also being delivered using mobile commerce. Hyper-local marketing. It is an advanced marketing approach to communicate with consumers on the basis of their localized presence and preferences. Mobile marketing strategy. Location mobile localization. Identify your audience. Select mobile marketing local search SMS apps. App selection ad creation mobile SEO create ad. Monitoring and improvement ROI traffic conversion optimization. The future of mobile. Recent trends show that mobile-based data consumption, subscription, and mobile-based engagement is increasing every year. Mobile search has already overtaken desktop search, and the similar trends will also be followed in e-commerce and social media. Tools and resources. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.